So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the intro view package in Flutter. So this is how it looks. So you have an intro screen with three small dots or icons. So when you click on the next button, you could see the screen changes. So let's code this. Let's see here. We need to import in pubspec.yaml. You need to import this intro view Flutter and the path where your assets are. So in my case, I have mentioned this for the paths, and let's get into the main.dat file. As you could see, we have a main function which calls the run app, and we have an app that extends stateless widget. So if you see this clearly, I have imported three packages. The first one is material.dat, which you already know, and for this interviews you need to import these two. So let's begin. First, I have I have created a list of pages which contain page weave model. So how a page looks, you could see on the right side of the screen. You could see how it is going to look. So there are three dots at the bottom. We have three page view models. You could see why we created three, because we have three on the right. And you could see, first let's break this down. We have a page color. So the color that you see here on the background, it is the page color. And the icon it has a property called icon image asset path. So if you could see here at bottom, a cab driver is visible. It's like a small vector. So this icon is represented by this property icon image asset path. So we'll mention the asset path here, which I already mentioned we have in the assets. So here the body, the text easy cab booking dot dot dot. This thing is represented by the body. We have a text here. We are not customizing this here. We are customizing at this point, like body text style. Here we have a text style. Here we use the required font and the required color. We are not using this in direct text property. And the title, you could see which is present at the top, that is CABS. So for that we use title, text, and we mention cab. And coming to the main image that is present in the center, this is the main image. Again, we're including from the assets that you have already imported, and this is the height and width of this. Now in general, when it is oriented to the top left, so we align it to the center. Now this contains these are things that are contained in a page view model. So let's copy this and paste and change. So here I have already made three page view models. So I'm just closing them. So we have made our pages successfully. Now to add this in front of your application, what you need to do is, like, we have a material app we are returning, and this title is intro Flutter, and we have a property called home, which refers to the default widget, that is slash. You could see here the first widget that loads when you open your Flutter app. So this is the home widget. Here we are having a builder, and it has a property called builder, and it takes the context that we have here and returns an intro weaves Flutter. So for this we imported previously two Dart packages, and this takes a property that is a list of page view model items that we have here. So its name is pages, and we are sending this here. That show next button, the button that we see here, that is, here we have a next button as you could see on the right, and show back button as you could see here with mouse I'm showing you, and on tab button, that is on tab done button. So if I click next, the last thing that comes here is done. So on tapping this, I should go to the actual app. So here I use navigator.push. We are passing a context and the material route, which has property builder, same, and it refers to the home page that we have created here. Home page which contains a scaffold, an app bar, and a body with some text. So let's run this. Let's hot reload. Now this is how it looks. So we have a skip button. If I click on this directly, it will take it to the end. So let me click done. Now you could see here we have successfully created an intro view. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe.